So we got a nice recipe in the woodlands today. We're doing a nice infused winter warming drink, a hot toddy. So we've got a bit of ginger, lemon, and we got honey, and we got a bit of Scotch whiskey. So it's going to be nice and refreshing, and it's going to be a good for sore throats. So looking forward for this lovely drink now. So we got our ingredients ready for the hot toddy. We got honey, ginger, and Scotch whiskey, and we got lemon. So we'll get the drink on the go now, using our jet bottle.